Hi, this is Dielle, and we're at the last practice of the sixth gate. The sixth gate being all about listening. And today we're going to talk about affirmations. Now, why do we have affirmations in the sixth gate? Well, because one of the reasons why affirmations work is not just because we are making a statement and using the power of our word, but we're also hearing ourselves say it, which has an impact on us. The problem with affirmations, of course, is that we often have either unexamined or conscious beliefs that are contradictory to what we're trying to affirm. And it's kind of it's an interesting conundrum that's embedded in the whole art of affirmation, because we want to affirm things that we don't have yet or don't believe yet. So to overcome that contradiction, I have a great technique for you that I think you're going to like. So I was turned on to affirmations in the 90s, I guess. I read some books. Louise Hay is one of my influences here. So is Abraham Hicks. So that's how I came into this practice of affirmation. But when this was pretty early on in my work, and as I started to try to use affirmations, I found that first of all, the conflicting beliefs to be an impediment, because it always felt insincere to me. There was always a part of me inside that was going, that's not true. Oh, you don't really believe that. Those kinds of negative things that can counteract your affirmation. And so to overcome that, first of all, I had to do a lot of work on my belief structure. I had to, because some of the affirmations that I had a problem with were around money and abundance. And I know a lot of people have that issue. And it was partly because my ideas, my concepts of abundance and money and richness and wealth and all of that, they were so conditioned. And I had to pull those apart and redefine them in my New World Dictionary. And that helped me to come to a deeper sincerity with my affirmations. The other thing that I had to do was work with the energy of the contradictory beliefs that still existed within me. And I found a way to do that. One of my influences in my life is creative drama. And that is just using drama for play, for fun, for learning. And so we can apply some of the things, some of the aspects of creative drama in sharing and practicing our affirmations. So I'll show you how to do that today.
So the first step is to just sit yourself down in a quiet place where you won't be disturbed and where you can feel free to be silly. If you can be in front of a mirror to witness yourself, all the better. But if it's a little unnerving to do that, don't worry about it. You can try that again another time. So now choose a statement, an affirmation to work with, such as, I am centered and peaceful, or my life is filled with abundance. It can be anything. Don't try to pretend to believe something that you don't. All you have to do is be willing to say it the way you feel it in the moment. The secret aspects of word, thought, and sound will take care of the rest. So if it feels phony to you, then say it that way. I feel peaceful and centered. Say it with all the sarcasm you can muster. If you feel the opposite of what you want to feel, then say it that way. I feel so peaceful and centered. If you want to sing it, sing it. See how that feels. If nothing comes up but a gurgle, that's perfect too. The idea is to say it as many ways as possible, feeling for the moments of resistance and when it resonates with parts of you and the statement starts to ring true. Keep at it. It may not happen right away. This is a practice of transmuting energy. Persist, play, get your body involved. Shake. I'm peaceful and centered. Wiggle, get up and stomp.
I am peaceful and centered.
Allow the practice to reveal to you what your blocks are. It will happen. You may even have a release as you move through resistance and longing into the place where you can sense the truth of your statement that was really there all along. You'll come to the point where all the resistance drops away, and there you'll find yourself hearing the words of your affirmation as if for the first time. You'll start to state the affirmation without the theatrics, the drama, and the playfulness. But go slowly here. You will begin to speak each word with its own weight and sincerity. I am peaceful and centered. Tears may even flow. You'll begin to feel the truth of the statement in different areas of your body. You'll sense joy arising, and you'll empower yourself. Have fun.